This video is on the law of multiple proportions. So we are told that iron reacts with oxygen to form two different compounds. Compound 1 contains 25 grams of iron and 72 grams of oxygen. Compound 2 contains 50 grams of iron and 21.4 grams of oxygen. And it asks, what is the ratio of iron to a fixed mass of oxygen for the two compounds? So let's copy down this data, write down what we know. So for compound 1, let's make a little table of iron to oxygen. In compound 1, we have 25 grams iron and 7.2 grams oxygen. And in compound 2, we have 50 grams of iron and 21.4 grams of oxygen. So first we want to find the ratio of iron to oxygen in each one. So we're going to do that by dividing the amount of iron by the amount of oxygen. So the ratio of iron to oxygen in compound 1, 7.2 divided by 7.2 is 1. 25 divided by 7.2 is 3.47. So our ratio of iron to oxygen is 3.47 to 1. In compound 2, we do the same. We divide both the iron and the oxygen by the amount of oxygen. So 50 grams divided by 21.4 is going to be 2.34. So the ratio of iron to oxygen is 2.34 to 1. But now we need to know the ratio of iron in compound 1 to iron in compound 2. So 3.47 to 2.34. To find this ratio, we need to divide both of them by 2.34. But we get a problem here because this ratio is 1.48 to 1. And you may think, wait, the law of multiple proportions says this ratio should always be a whole number. It is. All we have to do, and you won't be expected to, I don't think you'll be expected to do this on the test, I should probably check that, is multiply this whole ratio by 2. And when you multiply 1.48 by 2, you get 2.96. Actually, 2.97. And multiplying 1 by 2 is obviously 2. And that's pretty close to 3 to 2. So it is still a whole number ratio.